Welcome to our tutorial on viewing traffic quality for rotators. Are you ready to gain insights into the performance of your rotator links? In this video, we'll walk you through the process of accessing traffic quality for your rotators, allowing you to understand your audience better. To get started, go to the rotator you want to analyze. Then, click on the hamburger button on the right side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Traffic Quality. Once you've clicked on Traffic Quality, you'll be presented with a comprehensive breakdown of data entries divided by country, operating system, and platform. This analysis provides valuable insights into the demographics and behaviors of your audience, allowing you to make informed decisions about your rotator strategy. Unlock the power of traffic quality and optimize your rotator performance. Let's dive in and explore the insights waiting for you.